So, what if you're obligated to pay alimony and you lose your job and you can't pay your own bills, much less alimony to your former spouse? You have the right to file what's called a motion to modify. So, I've had clients who were booming in the real estate industry and then the economy crashed and suddenly they're earning, a quarter of their income that they were earning at the time of the divorce. What we have to do is go in and immediately ask the court to give relief. Until you file a motion like that, the court cannot change your alimony. So if you file today, but you don't get to court until 6 months from now, the court can go back to the day that you filed, but not before. It's always going to be up to the court to decide whether a change in alimony is warranted. But usually, if you have lost your job or been forced to take another job due to no fault of your own, the judge is going to give you some relief from that obligation. It's so scary to think about the obligations you might have to pay alimony. Are you going to end up paying out more than you yourself get to take home? Are you going to lose everything that you own? There is not a strict formula, but the judges do typically use kind of a combination of formulas from different places, and they look at what you as the paying spouse are going to have as obligations otherwise. So, for instance, if you have children and you have to pay child support, you're probably not going to have to pay as much alimony as you would if you didn't have that obligation. If you and your spouse have investment accounts that earn interest that you live off of, that's going to be considered and probably lower your obligation to your spouse because they're getting more of that account.